Yeah, so once again, good morning. This is Shyam Chetwani, and I have Mr. Jayank Solonkar with me. He's from Mumbai, Thane, and we have a financial consultation call since more than 2 years from more than 2 hours from now, and it is a wonderful knowing you personally as well as professionally, and especially the financial part. So he's 52 now, and we have planned his very early retirement recently, and he is very happy after the discussion. So, Mr. Jayant, I would like to know your feedback about the consultation call we have so far. So, up to you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, Sham, thank you very much for spending time with me, and it was very insightful, especially in terms of numbers. The insight, whatever you have given, was really good, and that will really given me confidence in whatever I'm planning to do. And we will be in touch, sure, for the future also, Sham. Thank you very much once again.
Yes, sir. So, I just would like to know one thing, like what is your one biggest takeaway which really shifted your mindset from point point A to point B exactly? What is the biggest learning out of this call?
Biggest takeaway, I would say the calculation, the detailed calculation which you showed, that gave me extra confidence, and I'm clear about the numbers now, because finally the number and the money what you have, that gives you the confidence to plan what you want to do, and that really gave me the confidence. Sham, thanks for that. That was a detailed discussion, and you were very patient, and the way in which you gave the explanation was really wonderful.
Thank you very much for your kind words, and we'll get in touch.
Yeah,
Definitely for the financial plan, we can anytime get in touch and we can execute in more detail. So thank you once again and looking forward to see you again.
yeah. Thank you, Sham. Thank you.